Keep ZenGimbal turned off while set it up. Take ZenGimbal out from the box. Screw in tripod. Lift phone holder and push it outward until it clicks in place. Hold roll motor and lift upward until it clicks in place. Swing this arm out. Press unlock button and pull extension arm all the way out until it clicks in place. Ready to mount your phone. Center the phone with arms. Slide to balance the arm horizontally. It's balanced. For heavy phones, use bundled counterweight to balance. Once phone is balanced, press and hold power button to power on ZenGimbal. When filming finished, turn off ZenGimbal first before folding it. Remove the phone. Press unlock button and then push extension arm back in place until hear a click sound. Swing this arm down. Press fold button and then hold roll motor to fold it down. Lift phone holder and fold it back in place. Screw out tripod. Put everything back in place. Please subscribe our ASUS Support YouTube channel. We are keen to provide you with more useful information.